Hello guys, welcome back to OCP Technology. My name is Shripal and today I'm going to demonstrate you how to install Oracle 21c on the Linux platform step by step. So before starting my tutorial, I request to you, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment on the video. So without wasting time, let's move on the computer screen and do the practically. Log in with the root user and check internet is working on your machine or not using the ping command, ping google.com. If that command is responding, that means your internet is working on your machine. Now check your IP using the ifconfig command. Also check the host name using the hostname command. Now add the both entries inside the etc host file. Press I for insert and add the IP address and host name entry over here. Save the host file. Let me clear the screen. Now check the Oracle 21c database existing repository using the yum list command. And you can see there is the Oracle database pre-installed 21c 64-bit repository is available. Okay, so we are going to install the repository using the yum install command. It will be set all the prerequisite automatically. Here it is asking for permission to install the required RPMs. So just press the Y button and hit enter. Okay, it is completed now. Now set the SU Linux value permission. And disable the firewall also. systemctl stop firewall. The command will stop the firewall. systemctl disable firewall will disable the firewall feature. Using mkdir command, create the Oracle home directory. Now grant the ownership permission to Oracle user on the user1 directory and grant 775 permission on the user1 directory. Now go inside the user1 directory, check the details, the Oracle and install permission also on the user1 directory. Using the unzip command, unzip our software which we downloaded from the Oracle website. I will put the link in video description. Okay, the software is unzipped now. Now go inside the Oracle home directory and run the ls-ltr command which show all the unzipped file. Here you can see there is a run installer. So just run the run installer and finally Oracle 21c database installation will start now. Here you can see the first look of 21c database graphics. Here we have a two option: create and configure a single instance database, and second option is a setup software only. So in this video I'm just going to set up software only. So select the setup software only and then press the next button. Here if you want to configure the RAC, then select the second option. Otherwise I'm going with the first option, single instance database installation. Select the enterprise edition. Then next, here you can select the Oracle base location, which is automatically come here, user1 app Oracle, and where we extract our database software, that is by default is the Oracle home directory. And these all are the database groups. We don't want to run any script. Okay, this is the response file which has the information about the Oracle home and Oracle base, Oracle edition. If you want to save this file, just click on the Save Response File button or click on the Install button to install the database software. So finally, Oracle installation process has been started now and software going to install. It will take few minutes to install. Till then, I'm going to pause my video. These both scripts we need to execute from the root user one by one. So I'm just going to run both scripts from the root user one by one. Okay, it's done. Now click on the OK button. And finally, Oracle software installation has been successfully completed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.